Welcome to Getwell Pharma India Private Limited. Having a global presence in more than 25 countries, pioneering excellence in sterile oncology formulations. Located in the industrial heartland of India, in Bawal, Haryana, is our manufacturing site that is designed and built in adherence to CGMP norms and regulations. Our state-of-the-art infrastructure embodies highest standard of manufacturing sterile formulations. Our filling line is integrated with a lyophilizer, an auto-loading and unloading system. The complete line is built on isolated technology, thus ensuring zero product contamination and protection for both the operator and the environment. We harness the power of cutting-edge technology to develop and produce a wide range of oncology injectables, including liquid vials and lyophilized vials. At the heart of our facility lies our utility area. Behind every exceptional product lies our meticulous quality management system. Our quality control department, complying with 21 CFR Part 11, that analyzes using validated test methods and verifies the quality of our products. Our quality assurance and documentation teams work in tandem with all departments to ensure that every step of the process adheres to regulatory norms and quality benchmarks. At Getwell Pharma, we envision being a trusted ally of healthcare professionals and institutions in the relentless battle against cancer. Getwell Pharma India Private Limited. Better science, better life. For more information, visit our website at getwelloncology.com.